Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhini's World. Chicken is perhaps the most favorite non-vegetarian option. There are many ways we can prepare chicken, and in one of my earlier videos I have shown how to make chicken kolhapuri, which is very special and delicious. If you are interested, please find the link in the description box below. In today's video, we shall make chicken fry, which is very famous in Andhra. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Friends, I always prefer chicken thigh meat for chicken fry recipes because it makes the dish so juicy and tasty without getting hard and dry even after it gets cooled down. Friends, I'm adding Biryani Masala instead of Garam Masala for enhancing the flavor. Recently, I've posted the video of this Biryani Masala. Please find the link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Friends, this chicken fry is so tempting and we can just eat like that without roti or rice. However, this is often served with kushka, which is plain biryani flavored rice. I'll show you in my next video how to make kushka and enjoy these two great dishes together. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also, please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.